Hi everybody, welcome to DAYZ on the PC, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can alter the starting loot on your DAYZ PC Nitrado Private Server. At the moment this only works for PC because we don't have access to the init.c file on consoles, but when we do, this is probably how we're going to do it, because it's pretty easy, to be honest. And, it's amazing if we've been struggling on console to try and do this on PC. It is so easy. So as you can see, here's my starting character. He's got a canteen, he's got a magazine, he's got an M4, he's got an axe, he's got drinks, he's got food, duct tape, binoculars, loads of good stuff to get him started. So first off, let's go back here. So this is the Nitrado, your product screen, which tells you all the servers you've got, and you just want to click in the web interface icon here. So this will go into your settings for your particular server, and then you want to go down to your file browser here on the left, and the file we're looking for, the file we're going to be playing around with, is called init.c. So do a search for init.c. Now you'll notice probably two will appear. Now this is because on the Nitrado servers you've got the files for Chernarus and Livonia, the DLC that people can buy. On the servers, Livonia is called Enoch, E-N-O-C-H. So whenever you're doing anything, make sure you're working with the Enoch files. And the way that you do that is you look at the folder that you're in. So for example, if we go to this top one, because I'm on Chernarus, this is the wrong one, because you'll see the folder that it's in, the folder tree, it ends up in DAYZ offline.enoch. So that's wrong. We don't want to play around with that one. So let's do a search again for init.c, and it's this one here. And then if we look at the folder tree, we'll see that it's Chernarus Plus, which is the one we want. Now at this point we're going to be playing around with the file, so you should stop your server. Obviously if you've got people on it, just warn them what's going on, and then what you want to do is you want to download the init.c file and save that somewhere safe on your PC or your laptop as a backup, so if anything goes wrong you'll be able to re-upload it. Now you can edit within the Nitrado web browser interface, but it's not the best practice of way of doing it. What you're better off is downloading the file, and then you want to open it up in a editor like Notepad++. It's a free editor. It makes things really clear. It colors different descriptions in different colors so that you can see things better. It's just a cleaner way of editing. Now when you open up your file in Notepad++, or you look at it in the Nitrado server, scroll down, and what you'll see, if I get rid of this stuff here, let's cut that. You'll see this. It'll start talking about creating a random player in those notes there, and you get to a bit where it says CreateInventory Apple, CreateInventory Pear, CreateInventory Plum. I don't think they're actually on the Livonia file, the Livonia init.c. I don't think it bothers giving you something like that. And you'll see a thing that says set random health item ent, and these are all calls for creating your inventory. So what you want to do is, after that one, you want to press enter, put a carried return in, put a return into that. And then if you look in the YouTube description down below this video, there's a load of words, and it's the text you need to paste in. So copy that and then paste it in, and then just check that it's nice and clean. Check that you haven't gone over any of these sort of squiggly brackets. And what you'll see here is these are all calls to the game, so that when you get a fresh spawn, give it a dry bag, and then in the inventory for the character, and the game kind of fills it up automatically. Compass, Canteen, SardinesCan, CombatKnife, CanOpener, ChernarusMap, M4A1, whatever you want to put in there. And if you want to get the names of stuff, obviously you could open up your types file and have a look through there, or you could use something like DAYZ editor to find the names of things, or just search on the internet for what is the type's name of, and then you'll find it out. You've only got limited inventory space, so don't go too mad. But you'd be surprised how much you can fit you can fit in there. And this opens up all sorts of different opportunities, doesn't it? Thinking about how you could create custom loadouts. Now, remember, with all this stuff I share on my YouTube channel, I didn't invent this. I didn't come up with this. I didn't find this out. You know, I'm not a coder. I don't know all this stuff. I search and I find this stuff on Reddit and on Google in lots of different places, and I try to bring it together and give it to you in a simple manner so that you can do this on your Nitrado servers. In the future, I'll be doing videos about how you can alter the clothing that your character starts with as well. But I think just being able to change the starting loot is a really big thing, and it changes the quality of life experience and the gameplay experience you have with DAYZ. So anyway, do that. Do the changes that you want to. Again, don't go mad because you've only got limited space. Then you want to save the file. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to the web interface. Maybe if you've edited it within the web interface, you know, by copying and paste it, then save the changes. Then what you want to do is up here you want to click on the folder that has the init.c, and so it's this orange box here. So we click on that. Remember, our server is stopped at this point. And then just click on upload file here. If we say there's the init.c, click on upload file. Choose the init.c file you've edited on your computer, init.c. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. And once that's sorted itself out, a couple of seconds, restart the server, spawn in again, you know, kill yourself and have a fresh character, and just check everything seems to be okay. And there you go. That's how you change the loot. How simple is that? How easy is that? How many hours did we waste on console trying to do this sort of thing, and we can never get it to work? But with access to init.c, it's all there. So remember, those files, that text is in the description box below on YouTube. So if you're watching this video somewhere else, you've got to click through to YouTube to actually be able to copy and paste that stuff in. Hopefully that video is useful. Hit like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to see more.